All right, so we're back. By the way, the previous break 654, there was a fourth auto. I just didn't. He didn't give it to me yet because he was sleeving. So there was a fourth auto for Ariel Castro. So that relic card was extra, which was nice. All right, on to break 656. 656 from last week. So we got 4 boxes. This is our only soccer break tonight. Topps Finest. So let's get to it. Again, a little quick disclaimer that no purchase is necessary or payment is necessary to enter to win. Reference the sweepstakes link that is included in all, and with the regulations, rules and regulations within our listing as per eBay's request. Let's move on. Let's go Red Devils. Okay. Box 1. Alex, what do you got in this? I was about to ask and you already wrote it. Celtic, Inter, RB for me this time. Awesome. All right, man. Let's pull some bangers here. Appreciate you guys. Taste my biscuit. Taste my honey sauce. I'm going to make you listen to that once we're done.
What?
You did read my mind, Alex.
I don't know. It sounds like you keep saying "taste my biscuit." And
I do.
I mean, that's just sounds weird, man.
It's a stupid freaking viral video that just I can't get out of my head.
A month ago, it was Sia's song "Unstoppable."
Yes.
Now you're like some.
Why'd you put that in my head now? And I'm gonna be thinking of Unstoppable.
You gotta stop, man. You gotta stop.
Hey, bro, I'm the one breaking here, bro. As the kids say, bro. All right. Any soccer next week?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. And you got Man U and Brugge. Here you go, Volo with the Man U and Brugge.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck. Come on, what a stupid pack this one open. Bro, I'm over here. I'm working here, okay? I can sing whatever the hell I want. Bro. I hate that word. And there's another thing. I don't know if your girls were like we get into some kind of comment or topic or subject, and then it gets a little heat or something, and he'll bust out with the "It's not that deep, bro. It's not that deep." I'm like, shut the what the? Who the hell are you talking to? It's not that deep. I'll show you deep, bro. All of a sudden, every kid is a damn surfer. I can't stop that. Go ahead. Gotta get another song in my head. Oh boy, here we go. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Let's get some good stuff. How about a refractor of Andreas Schlederup, rookie for Benfica. The rookies: Hugo, Ekitike, PSG. All right, here we go. Prize footballer Robert Lewandowski, insert. And how about Gavi? Blue prized footballers, 148 of 150. Nice blue refractor. Prized footballers of Gavi. That's gonna be for what's it called? Barcelona. Barcelona. That's what I wanted to say. Trying to switch over from baseball to soccer. Julian Alvarez, City.
You're still processing.
It is. Samuel Illing Jr., rookie refractor for Juventus. And, ooh, nice purple shimmer out of 199. 48 of 199. Eduardo Camavinga for Real Madrid. Go. By the way, if you're just joining us, please like, follow, subscribe, and call out your teams. This is break 656. 656. Hugo Ekitike. PSG rookie. Gavi again. Collect all the Gavis. And how about Alidou for Eintracht Frankfurt out of 275. Sky blue, I'm going to say. 258 to 275 refractor. Sky blue. Sure. No one's questioning me today.
I did pull up the checklist.
Fatau, SCDP. Sporting Club de Portugal. Okay. David Turnbull for Celtic. Our man Alex. How about David Turnbull? go. You got yourself David Turnbull auto. Illing Jr. rookie. Baranchea rookie. A Spence for Renown rookie. That's a refractor. All right. Any auto is a good auto around these parts. Easy, Wyatt Earp. We're gonna. I love you, Alex. You know that. Rico Lewis, refractor, Man City. Fabio Carvalho, rookies. Valentin Carboni, rookie. Matteo Tanlongo, rookie. And a nice Carvalho again, prize footballer, refractor. How about a nice Internacional Milano out of 299, purple Lautaro Martinez. For you, Alex. Lautaro Martinez, FC Internacional, 263 out of 299, purple refractor. Lucas Gorna Duarte for Salzburg, rookie. Benfica's Andreas Schlederup, rookie. Darwin Nunez, refractor, Liverpool. Moments. Frank Rijkaard. Mudryk, rookie. Kolo Muani, rookie. There's a Messi prize footballer insert. And out of 75 for the Rangers. Rose gold. Rose gold. Let's go. 5 of 75. 5 of 75. Alex Lowry. Rose gold refractor, I'm going to say. Antonio Nusa for Club Brugge rookie. Carvalho, Liverpool rookie. And Ansgar Nauf for Eintracht Frankfurt. 70 of 150. Blue refractor auto for Eintracht Frankfurt. Congratulations. Eintracht Frankfurt. Rooney Bardghji for FC Copenhagen with a bunch of. And Adi Nekatai, Arsenal refractor. Matthias Sule rookie. All right, that was just box one. It's okay. We're just warming up. Just box one. Box two coming right up. Box two coming right up. Coming right up. Coming right up. Just happy to have a mail day now. There you go.
There you go.
I love that. I love the words mail day. We send stuff anyway, regardless. You may not want it, but we still send stuff. When I say we, my partner over here does all the shipping and handling. I'm just a talent. And a humble. After this, we've got 2 more basketball breaks. 3 baseball breaks still.
3?
Yeah, we got 2 Allen Ginters and 1 more Bowman Chrome, right?
That's fun. Don't forget about those minis in the Allen.
Yeah.
I think it's like 2 minis.
Yeah. You're a funny man. Oh, I hope we get one of those tear cards, and then the guys in the chat says do it.
I don't think that was tops.
That's not Ginter?
No. You're thinking of...
That is Ginter.
Nope. You're thinking of...
Oh, that's Ginter. Ginter has that.
It's not. Oh, maybe. It has a bunch of minis in it? No. I think that was a legacy football.
No. I just saw someone live pulling a damn...
I'm probably wrong.
Yeah, no, there's no
that?
probably. You're certainly probably wrong. How about that? I just saw somebody pull, what's it called? Not Otani, but the other guy from the Angels.
Did they? Who?
Bomber or some breaker. You know, day.
Just another breaker.
Just a day. Rangers, Alex Lauer rookie. Arnar Haraldson, Copenhagen rookie. Getting grilled over here for no reason. Fatau, rookies insert. Rafael Leao, refractor from AC Milan. Answered everything is them and they today. You see how Lewandowski, Bryce footballers insert. How about Gonçalo Borges? 66 of 150 blue refractor for FC Porto.
Must have stumbled upon some interesting YouTube shorts when you were scrolling.
Shit happens, bro. Like taste my biscuit. Gonçalo Borges. Charles Decatelare, AC Milan refractor. A purple shimmer of Memphis Depay for Atletico de Madrid. Out of 199, 56 of 199.
Wrong turn and all your analytics are jacked up now.
Yeah, I'm all fucking Carboni rookie. Devine, Tottenham rookie. Moreira Jr., Benfica rookie. And we have Gavi again, refractor prize footballers. And how about a Paxton Aronson for Eintracht Frankfurt, green speckles, 82 of 125. Green speckle, 82 of 125. Paxton Aronson. Lucas Gornaduit, rookie. And Kyle Jorge, Juventus. Jorge. Sounds like a fancy restaurant. Kyle Jorge, Juventus, refractor auto. Go. Antonio Nusa, rookie for Club Brugge. Chelsea's Michaelo Mudryk, rookie. For Sporting Club, Matteo Tanlongo, rookie. A refractor rookie of Spence for Renai.
You watched. YouTube's like, oh, he watched this for 5 seconds. Push it towards him.
All the time. Dude, those algorithms have me fucking licked. They know exactly what I like and when I like it.
Time of day.
They do, man. Shelderup, rookie for Benfica. They know. They know. How will they know? They'll know. Phil Foden. See, I knew you were going to catch that. I could go through the whole day. I could go the whole day just using those phrases, catchphrases all day, and I don't have to say another word. Phil Foden, Man City, refractor. Hugo, PSG rookies. Mbappe, prize footballer. Another Gonçalo Ramos, 10 of 299, purple. SL Benfica out of 299, purple refractor. Matthias Sule for Juventus. Moani for Eintracht. A Jude Bellingham refractor for Borussia. There's a brace to seal the 06. AC Milan, Filippo Inzaghi. Sugo rookie for Sporting Club. Carvalho for Liverpool rookie. Vlahovic, prize footballers. There you go for Juventus. Julian Alvarez out of 275. 157 of 275 sky blue for Man City.
Blue? No,
oh. You're my boy, Blue. 157 of 275. Julian Alvarez. Nice rookie. Bardghji rookie. That's a nice one. Booney Bardghji rookie for Copenhagen. How about a lime green? Bless you, Lukaku. FC Internacional Milano. Bless you, Alex Tracy. 1999. 19 of 99. Congratulations to Alex. Romelu Lukaku.
Thanks, buddy.
Lime green auto. Rats. Like you said, any auto is a good auto. Barbieri rookie for Juventus. A refractor rookie of Curie for Stade Rennais. Box 2. What am I doing on time? Am I dragging it?
You're great. You're great.
He said, oh, heck yeah. Alex said, oh, heck yeah. 2 autos for Alex. Let's go. Call out your players. Call out your teams. All 6 of you. Oh, it's it's gonna pick up when we get that Babe Ruth. We're gonna become Topps famous.
Topps famous.
Yeah, that green was clean.
It's like you guys weren't supposed to do that.
Why'd you do this? Who are these people? Who's this wax zone?
Oh, they know.
Oh, they know. Very forward with that. Embrace the chase. What do you think they are?
We should really submit for trademark on that, by the way.
Sure. Tyler's already done it.
In Canada.
All right, we need some Man U. Come on. We need Man U for Volo. Or is it Volo or YOLO? I'm sorry.
YOLO.
Oh, it's YOLO. My bad. It's YOLO. YOLO truth. That totally makes sense. YOLO truth. Man speaks truth. All right, let's get a Man U. It's a biscuit. Well, I'm happy to hear that, Alex. Hey, what's the next soccer one we're doing next week? What are we doing?
We got Alex. We got some Merlin currently in the house. But we might be, I don't know, we'll see what we're going to pick up after this weekend.
Longo Sporting Club rookie. A Cancelo refractor for Bayern München. Kameri for Salzburg, rookies insert. Sule rookie. Schlederup rookie. Footballers Benzema. Sugo for a Sporting Club rookie. Muani rookie for Eintracht. Matteo Tanlongo for Sporting Club refractor rookie. Let me repeat that again. A Matteo Tanlongo refractor rookie. Oh. Carvalho rookie for Liverpool. Ramos prized. Ballers. And Adeyemi for Borussia, 220 out of 250. And that's going to be blue. Hold on. Blue Vortex.
Aqua
Vapor. Fucking. I don't know. Sorry. Fudging 220 out of 250. Borussia. Aqua Blue Vapor. Damn it.
You said you were going to work at it.
You're right. I failed, obviously. Bardaji, Copenhagen. How about another Copenhagen?
He said, but you know.
Rooney, Bardaji, Copenhagen. Refractor, rookie, auto.
Yeah, Alex, we'll have that listed. All of our listings go live on Monday nights.
Barbieri.
So there'll be
Marcus Rashford, refractor.
3-box break.
Real Madrid out of 150, blue. Vinny Jr. for, I believe, Alex also. 55 of 150, Vinny Jr. Real Madrid blue refractor. Isak Bergman Johansson for Copenhagen, rookie. Enzo Fernandez, rookie, refractor, Chelsea. Gittins, rookie insert. Bobby Clark, Liverpool rookie. Sulabali for BVB rookie. We got Ronaldo, super old, or young, I should say, Cristiano Ronaldo prized. Ooh, nice Mbappe. 14 of 99, green. I assume these are green Ray Waves. For PSG. 14 of 99, twice his jersey number. Ray Wave Mbappe. Save some ladies for the rest of us. Pablo Torre, Barcelona rookie. Morata, refractor for Atletico de Madrid. Moments, goal to win. Whoever that was. Kluivert. Larson, prize footballers. And out of 275, Sky Blue, 270, 275, Fashion Sakala for the Rangers. Fashion Sakala. Julian Alvarez rookie for City. And for Sporting Club de Portugal, Pedro Gonçalves. Pedro Gonçalves Refractor Auto. Once you start, man, the R's just roll.
Laughing at myself because I'm sending.
Oh,
And
that's always a funny job.
well,
Hugo Ekitike PSG rookie.
combining shipping for
For Tottenham, out of 299, 93 of 299, purple refractor, Arnaud Danjuma. Gabriel Jesus Arsenal refractor. Where are all the Man United cards?
But so I'm sending in. It was supposed to be $100, and I almost hit 60.
Ooh.
And I was gonna be like, you know how we get those messages? Sorry, meant to bid 35, but it did 350.
Oh, can you cancel
my bid, please?
You crack yourself up.
How about that?
You crack yourself
I
up.
had a little chuckle to myself.
You Chucky.
And
Love them guys and gals. Which ones? Them?
Yeah.
All right, last box. Come on. I've not seen like any Man United cards. What the hell? Did they get excluded? How's that even possible? Some products are just loaded with Man United. Apparently not here. 50 bucks. Vibes are good tonight. You might stick around for the A&G. All right. Gotta love the... There's still some Alan Ginter spots for sale. Auctions are still ending. Alex Ginter, basketball fast break, mosaic fast break. So you guys have any interest in catching any more breaks tonight? The auctions are still ending on eBay. Go get them. They're going fast. Taste my biscuit. Taste my honey song.
What's the context? I guess
It's just a really stupid video of a woman and a man inside a thrift store singing.
Oh.
I mean, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Is the problem? It's like embossed in your brain.
Got it.
And it's so stupid because it's an older woman and an older man, and you're like, what the hell? And it's it's one of those things where it's an old song, they did it. It's an original song, and it just became viral just because.
Got it.
Sporting Club de Portugal, Sotiris Alexandro Popopoulos, rookie. Casper Tengsting, rookie. Fatau, rookies. For Chelsea, Arrizabalaga, refractor. Cisco, ooh, we have a gold. Ooh, footballer Cisco. And for AFC Ajax, who's got the Ajax? 7 of 50. Gold, Lorenzo Luca, rookie. Who's got the AFC Ajax gold? Luca. Nice card.
It's clean.
Wata for Celtic, rookie. Enrico Lewis for City, rookie. Christian Pulisic, Chelsea, refractor. A brace of braces, Inzaghi for Milan. What do we have? We have footballers Heung-min Son for Tottenham. A green refractor, 96 of 99, Edson Alvarez for AFC Ajax. What? Ajax is Easting. All right, Bobby Clark, rookie for Liverpool. Copenhagen, Isaac Bergman Johansson. Fernandez, rookie. And how about a Ferran Torres for FC Barcelona? Refractor auto. FC Barcelona, Ferran Torres. Whoever's got FC Barcelona. My guess is Zachary, but
No.
No?
I think maybe.
Elliot. Ooh, Pablo Torre, Barcelona rookie.
I can't
Sulibali, PVB. And Real Madrid, Karim Benzema, 85 of 299 for Real Madrid. I think that's Alex as well. 85 of 299, purple refractor. Hey, look at that, a Manchester United card. Christian Eriksen, refractor, Manchester United. They do exist. All right. Pablo Torre, insert. Sergio Ramos, PSG refractor. Esugo, Sporting Club rookie. Benfica's Tengsted rookie. Gittins, Prize Footballers insert.
Hold on. Keep on.
Who wants to pay attention?
No, because one of these might be like the case hit.
You. Hey, you. This man just said, hey, you. Jesus. Alexandropoulos, rookie.
I forgot to mention that.
Coco. Well,
My bad.
Coco refractor. And how about a Dario Esugo, Sporting Club de Portugal, green speckle, 100 out of 125. I like that he's got the green and white going on and the green speckle. That looks cool, man. Beautiful card. Barbieri, Juventus rookie. Griezmann. Footballers. And a blue vapor out of 250 for FC Porto, Evan Nilsson. 217 of 250. Rico Lewis, Man City. And for Sporting Club de Portugal rookie is Sahaku Fatau Auto refractor for SCP. Iwata, Celtic rookie. Hernandez rookie. Oh, there he is. There, finally something decent there, YOLO. Alejandro Garnacho refractor rookie. Finally. Too much of Garnacho in this.
It took some work.
Oh, yeah, it did. Third to last card. Fabio Miretti, Juventus, out of 150. 101 of 150, blue refractor. Yeah, no kidding, YOLO. At least there's a nice... And it looks pretty clean, too. Nice refractor.
Whoops.
Alrighty. Recap time. Gavi. 150, blue, priced footballers. What is the case hit, by the way?
They look.
The priced footballers?
Yeah, but I gotta.
There's a purple shimmer out of 199 of Kamavinga. There's a sky blue to 275 for Eintracht Frankfurt of Aladu, rookie. A purple refractor of Lautaro Martinez for FC Internacional Milano to 299. A rose gold for Rangers, Alex Lowry, rookie, 5 of 75. A Gonzalo Borges out of 150, blue for FC Porto. A purple shimmer out of 199 of Memphis Depay for Atletico de Madrid. A green speckle of Aronson for Eintracht out of 125. A sky blue out of 275 Julian Alvarez for City. A purple Gonzalo Ramos for Benfica out of 299. A green Ray Wave of Mbappe out of 99 for PSG. A sky blue out of 275 of Sakala for Rangers. A purple Danjuma out of 299 for Tottenham. A blue out of 150 for Vinny Jr. for Real Madrid. A some kind of vapor blue out of 250 for Borussia of Adeyemi. A gold Luca out of 50 for Ajax. A green speckle of Esugo out of 125 for Sporting Club. A Moretti blue out of 150 for Juventus. A purple Benzema out of 299 for Real Madrid. a green Alvarez out of 99 for Ajax, and a vapor blue out of 250 of Evan Nilsson for Porto. And our autos were David Turnbull for Celtic, refractor auto. Congratulations, Celtic. Ansgar Nauf out of 150, 70 of 150, blue refractor for Eintracht Frankfurt. A refractor auto of Caio Jorge for Juventus. A Lukaku for FC Internazionale Milan out of 99, lime green. Congrats. Absolutely. Give me 1 second, YOLO. Give me the Garnacho, the last refractors. Rooney Bardghji, FC Copenhagen refractor auto for FC Copenhagen. Pedro Gonçalves for SCP refractor auto. A Ferran Torres for Barcelona refractor auto. And a Isahaku Fatao for SCP refractor rookie auto. And Garnacho, Alejandro Garnacho, also known as the Matador, refractor rookie. Congratulations to everybody. Thank you so much. We'll be right back with break 657.
Thanks, everyone.